Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ralphie and this is another edition of RP Fishing where everything's about pure energy, pure love, and that's right baby, pure fishing. Got a great episode for you here today. It's 2 parts. I want to tell you about the first part of it. The first part is Fish for Tish. And the Davenports in Winston-Salem, they did this event for kids that would probably never ever have the opportunity to go fishing. They bought them rod and reels. My buddy Darren from Alien Premium Lures donated baits. The Winston-Salem Sheriff's Department went and picked these kids up and brought them out there. And the Davenports fed the kids and they gave these amazing prizes away. Biggest fish, littlest fish, most fish. And, you know, everybody got a medal. And it was great, and it was just a blast, and it was a fun day. So this is the first part, so I want you to check this out. This is where we're at Salem Lake, and we're taking these kids fishing. So check this out, and I'll be right back with you. Who's going to catch the biggest one? Who's gonna catch the most? Who's gonna catch the smallest?
Girls, the guys, everybody caught fish, and it doesn't matter who you are, like she said, it's the fish. The fish just have to get on the bait. So we're gonna play, y'all are enjoying yourselves, right? Yeah. Y'all wanna do it again? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna do this every year.
Now peppers, green sauce, and red sauce. He's on keys, no ball.
There we go.
Fish for Tish.
Woo! There we go.
First day fishing.
Everybody's a winner. Hey, I told you, it was an amazing day. You know, the Davenports made some kids' days, and, you know, these kids are going to have this memory for the rest of their lives. So, you know, 5 stars to the Davenports. You know, and this is going to be a yearly event, and I think it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. I enjoyed it. I never had so much fun untangling so many lines. You know, it was fulfilling. So, you know, again, 5 stars to the Davenports. God bless them for putting this thing on. It was truly amazing. So here's the second part of the video. I got an afternoon. I got to go down to High Rock Lake. I tell you what, it's happening. Those fish are starting to separate. They're getting, you know, off to themselves, the bigger ones. And you know what? I caught about 11.5 pounds. I caught one that was about 202. And it was just, you know, amazing day, as you'll see in the video here. But again, if you're new to the channel, I hope you hit the subscribe button. If you're one of my subscribers already, thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts, and you know, I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And don't forget, I'm always praying for you. I don't care what you're going through. If you're not going through anything, I'm always praying for you. You know, and I love you. Though that somebody out there loves you, and you know, if you leave me a comment and you need a prayer, I'll definitely put it out there for you. Again, I hope you like this episode. Got down there and done some single poling, and this is where I always say it. And that's right, baby. I will see you on the water. Got him. Good one. Oh yeah, single poling. Look at that slab. There we go. That's a good one. Had to get out of the wind. Y'all got to see that. That's pretty cool. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, yeah. go. I hope y'all can see that up there. Here we go, another pig. Alien shrimp in the back of the mouth. Look at there. There we go. Pig. Leslie's calling. Must be important. There you go, y'all. Oh, there we go. Another one. Keepers. Keepers. Gotcha. Another good slab. Ooh. Yes. Slabalicious. Slabalicious. Look at that. Good thick ones. Got it. Good. Yeah. Pig. Yes. Oh, yes, that's a 2-pounder. Yeah, buddy. Pig in the back of the throat. I knew it was going to be a good one. Look at that slab. Oh my gosh. They are moving in. Look at that thick fish. Beautiful. Another good one. Not as big as the last one, but a good one. We ain't gonna keep him. Look at there. Not gonna keep him. Little one, right in the back of the throat. Ate it good. There we go. We ain't keeping him. Slabs. Keeper. Eater. River crappie. Yes. That's what we wanted. Look at that slab. Yes. It was what I thought it was. Good one. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry if I got too close to the camera. Didn't know if that was that good one or not. Good evening. Oh yeah, caught me some good ones today. There's two. There's four. Six. Eight. Ten. 12. Guess what? All of them on Alien Premium Lures, baby. Boom.